there, friends. My name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, we'll be factoring by grouping. Now, factoring by grouping generally is the technique we use when we have at least 4 terms in our expression. So I'm going to focus on the first 2 terms, the x to the third and the 2x to the second. And I want you to think, what is the greatest common factor of these 2 terms? So I notice that they both have an x to the second. I'm going to put that x to the second in front. And I'm going to fill my parentheses with what I get when I divide each of those terms by that x to the second. You'll notice then that when I simplify, I still need the x to the second out front. X to the third divided by x to the second gives me x. And 2x to the second divided by 2x, 2x to the second divided by x squared gives me 2. All right, so I factored the first 2 terms. Let's do the same thing for the second pair of terms. So what do 7x and 14 have in common? Well, they're both divisible by 7. So I'm going to factor out a 7. And again, I'm going to take each of those terms and divide by that 7. Making sure that I reduce 7x divided by 7 gives me x. 14 divided by 7 gives me 2. Notice that my 2 parentheses are exactly the same. That's important. It's got to happen if we're going to be factoring by grouping. So what we'll do is we'll write the parentheses that they have in common, the same. Then we'll form a new parentheses with those terms that we put on the outside. So don't forget the x squared that was outside of the first parentheses and the plus 7 that was outside of the second parentheses. Voila, you factored by grouping now. All right, my friends, be sure, practice, because practice makes progress. Have a great day. Bye-bye.